My website design company gave me an app, and my app is called the Owner's app, and it allows me to see everything that's taking place on my website, including visitors. Go to natchez.org/website. InspectorWebsiteBuilder.com gives you an owner's app. I would like to chat with one of these visitors. I'm going to chat with someone who's on my homepage. Remember, someone's on my website over here, right? And this is my phone right here. And as an owner, I have access to this. Now I can talk to anybody instantly who's visiting my website, right? This is just a test, period. This is Ben having fun, period. Happy face emoji, happy face emoji, happy face emoji. And I send that to that person who's on my homepage right now. Oh, someone's typing. Someone's typing. Fantastic. This is great. Well, I want to immediately talk to anybody who's visiting me on my website, right? Through my owner's app. And again, this is through InspectorWebsiteBuilder.com. I'm trying to capture the lead. Every website should have this feature. I know a website designer who gives you this feature, and it's at InspectorWebsiteBuilder.com. And it's free. I don't pay for this. This isn't something extra. They don't charge for this. It just comes with the website, right?